It's called dynamic tension, the isometric squeezing. So you can have one of your kids with super high energy that's eventually going to end up being Elon Musk or a speaker or whatever it is, and you can have them sit where they are and just squeeze their muscles and squeeze their stomach and push their legs into the ground and do that and do that and do that and breathe and breathe and breathe. And then what's going to end up happening is they're going to use up energy that they have and they won't even move. I mean, I've seen kids in my classes that they'll sit there and just like that, but they're shaking, and I just make sure, breathe, like that, and that's dynamic tension that's going to work extra muscles. I mean, you felt it when we were doing this too, so why not have the kids do it and exert their excess energy so that hopefully they'll come down to the, the normal kids. Hey there, Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you got some value from it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. If you have kids and you want to check out my Yogarati YouTube channel, then check it out right over here. And over here, you're going to have some videos of some other content that'll give you some tremendous value. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.